Hey, this is 春天了. In today's video, I'm going to share with you more about my new book, YouTube Rising. I'm going to share what makes it different from other book and what's inside it in high level. If you haven't already grabbed a copy, get one, change your life. Are you ready to succeed in music or your industry? Are you ready to transform your creativity into a thriving YouTube channel? Whether you are a content creator, social media entrepreneur, or visionary aiming to build a wealth and influence, YouTube Rising offers a clear roadmap to success. What if there's an easy way to elevate your journey and build your brand, increase your influence, income, and impact? Bestselling author 春天了 New Power Art shares 22 actionable strategies to help you. Now there is. Inside this book, you will learn proven strategies to grow your YouTube channel from 0 to 1,000. Techniques to monetize your content and create multiple income streams. Insights on building a personal brand that stand out in the digital landscape. Motivation and tools to leverage AI and social media for wealth creation. Inspiration from top creators who share their secrets to extraordinary success, and so much more. The book is written in a clear and easy to understand style, with practical tips and real-life examples, and it is your ultimate companion for achieving extraordinary results. Your path to influence, income, and legacy starts here. If my message speaks to you, don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like. It will help the video to reach more people and help more people. Again, if you haven't already grabbed a copy, get one, change your life. Thank you. See you next time.